And up here we've got another Lufthansa, just gone straight up at top of us. Focus isn't going to oblige us here, but he's just gone straight up at top. See if I can catch him on the other side, although it's overcast to bugger now. General sky view quickly. Now out to the south. We're too overcast to see anything now. Gives me time off, doesn't it? There's the other Lufthansa trail, so visible behind the trees. This one that's just gone over though, no chance of seeing that really. This one's covered. There you have it. Sounds like a bloody motorway. We're nowhere near one. Right, I'll get the details for the Lufthansa in a second. Right, the plane that sprayed over Darlington, can't tell out to the south or south east. It's Lufthansa Delta Alpha India Lima Sierra D-AILS. Sounds about right, doesn't it? It's 3 Charlie 6593 on flight DLH 3YX. It's an Airbus A319114, operator code DLH, 39,000 feet, Edinburgh to Munich. And like I say, it's too overcast, so there's no planes showing on there at the moment. If there are any going to do anything, we won't be able to see. That one's just updated actually. It's now come up as Lufthansa CityLine. Operator code CLH. Anything else changed? No? Okay.